For this category, please welcome Molly Bowman, Head of Strategy for Pharmaceutical Supply Chain Management at Clarivate. It's over to Alan first to call out our shortlist.
Thank you, Joseph. Some great nominees in this category. We have Axum Solution, BD Becton Dickinson, Catalent Cell and Gene Therapy, Comtech, Fabrics, RheaVita, and Tever API.
And now for the winner, Molly, please do the honors.
And the winner is RheaVita.
We can see with the clip. Super, and let's stay with me. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank CPHI and the judges for giving us this award. It means a lot for a young company like RheaVita, and I'm also very proud to be part of that A-team. Viva RheaVita!
A round of applause for our winner. Thank you so much.